What if we tell you that there is already a course that will help you prepare for college?
Preparation for university?
Will you enroll in that program?
Hello, my name is Watana Solika.
And my name is Hang Suna.
So the common challenges I have with my studies are number one, managing my time because I cannot wake up early and I have Khmer and English which is really complicated for me. Secondly is my teachers because I have a lot of teachers considering I have 12 subjects, so it's 12 different teachers. So it's hard for me to do their homework on time and get to know them better.
And for me, it's also managing my time for homework because I have 3 classes.
I'm just gonna do as much as I can and just believe in myself, and most importantly, I'll just try to focus on English a lot because my dream job is to be a flight attendant, and being a flight attendant means requiring English a lot.
For me, I think in the future my parents will find a good university for me, but right now I want to focus what I'm learning on right now. I want to do business. For me, it's talking and interacting with people.
For me, I think I need customer services because you will serve people a lot and you need to be friendly and smile a lot and practice more languages because I'm going to be traveling all over the world. I need to learn more languages.
What if we tell you that there is already a course that will help you prepare for college?
Preparation for university?
Oh, if there's classes for customer services, then I would definitely take it because I don't think I interact with people enough.
And will you enroll in that program?
Yes.